guys, OLC321 back again with another model kit build update. This time it's just some stuff that I got from a few bits and pieces for the 1350 Star Trek Enterprise. Now I believe you've already seen the videos with the photo etch for that and the decals for the photo etch. Absolutely brilliant, going to be using those a lot. But what I also decided to purchase is so I can build the arboretum and other bits and pieces, some scenery bits, so that I can put it into the arboretum and that, to make it look fairly decent. And this only cost me a £5 off of Amazon for all of this. It was on a special offer. But yeah, only a £5. And it's basically a basing kit, obviously, but it's going to be perfect for what I want to make the arboretum and put a few tree type stuff in the officers lounge. Is it the officers lounge? Can't remember. One of them anyway. But yeah, so that's that. I thought I'd just give you a very quick briefing on this. You've got all the bits and pieces that you're going to need. You've got your static glass there. You've got static glass that's already done in clumps. You've got your cork. You've got your slate. You've got your I can't think of what the name of this dark and green, light green stuff is, and you've also got some more stuff here that could be used for bushes. So yeah, I've got that, which is going to be good. I'm going to be using that, obviously, and also again from Cameron's Decals at cameronsdecals.com. We have the masking set. It's only a 2-color masking set for the 1350 refit or /A paint masks, and came with the instructions here that he printed off himself and sent to me, which is absolutely brilliant. It goes through showing you what you need to do and how to place them and what you need to do that. As I say, mine's going to be a two-tone color scheme because I'm going to paint it like a pearl white, and then the second color scheme I'm going to put on a very slightly darker white. So I'm going to, in with the pearl white, I'm going to mix something else with it and just go over the other bits and pieces just to give the nice effect. And that's what we're going to do with this. So it's going to give like a nice two-tone effect on the Aztec patterning, because I'm not going to do just a 5 different color patterns on it. I don't have the time or the patience. But as I say, it shows you how to do this and everything like that, and where it needs to go. I mean, it looks like here you can see it's already looks like it's got some two tones on the actual saucer itself, which I didn't even think about doing. Actually, thinking about that might be a better idea. Might not. I don't know yet, but we'll soon see. Mind you, I suppose I could, in theory, right, get to simulate a 3 or even 5-tone color scheme, paint panels some different colors, and just do the 2 tones that I was originally going to do, and then we've got pretty much a 3-tone, 5-tone color scheme. Yeah, okay, yeah, I might do that. I might not. I don't know yet. But as I say, it's got very detailed instructions on how to put these on and how to use it. So really good. And again, this is from Cameron's Decals at www.cameronsdecals.com. So there you go. Let's have a quick look at the masks. Now, the problem with the masks, they're not going to show up very well on the screen until I go right up close. Don't worry about that. That's just where it's lifted off ever so slightly, and it's just a bit of air's gone underneath it. If you press on that, it just goes away. So don't worry about those. That's normal. That happens. But as you can see, you do have the Aztec masks, Aztec paneling on those masks, and it does recommend using wax paper, so you can take off the sheet that you need, the piece that you need, place it on some wax paper, take off what you want and put it on the ship, and then you're able to just go from there. Because how you do this, right, it goes a plus and a positive and a negative. So you'd start off with, put this whole triangle on a piece of wax paper, take off all of the positive bits, so it'll be this here, and these, this, this, and it carries on. And then on the next wedge, you would do the opposite side, so it'll be these pieces and these pieces here, and you just build it up and go along until you've covered the whole saucer section. So one pie wedge, in theory, should do 2 sections. In theory. Okay, I could be wrong, but we'll test it and we'll find out together. Yeah, because that's going to be fun. But as I say, it's got all of the mask bits and pieces that you are ever going to need, and I do believe as well we've got some extra pieces, but don't quote me on that until I actually start doing things. What's this? That's not, I didn't see that. Okay, I don't know what that is. It looks like some pieces have come off, but that's not a problem. I can sort that out. That's fine. Alright, and so we got these here, and looks like we've got some different kinds of shapes just there as well. Some more shapes and straight lines and things. Okay, so that'd be good for doing all different kinds of maskings. There we go. And then we've also got the other parts to add extra what's the word I'm looking for? Not these accent colors to it with these. So what you could do, you can have this one pie wedge, put the one pie wedge on, mask it off so you can easily pull it back off. So put one on, spray it the one color, turn it over onto the other side of the pie wedge. Then you got a different kind of effect. But use all obviously different ones. So it's going to be very good. I mean, I've never used proper masking sets before, and I know I've got the one from Green Strawberry for the Enterprise, the original series Enterprise, but I'm only using certain parts of that masking set. But there we go. That's the masking set from Cameron's Decal. So go visit him over there and get some stuff on it, because it's, as I say, really nice decal set, and decal set for the JJ prize, and a really nice set from not the mask. Yeah, they're painting masks. They're Aztec painting masks. I mean, I don't think he does a 5-color painting mask set. He only does like that 2-color one, but the 2-color one is just perfect for me, because as I say, I'm not going to go too mad on it. I just want it to look nice without going too mad. That makes sense in my head more than it does when I say it out loud. Yeah, so anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.